All right, guys, just going to do a quick walkthrough to see the app we're going to be building tonight. So I've got my emulator up and running. Here's the code you're going to be building. So you can create books. And you see there's something I tested before. I stopped and restarted, I rebooted my computer, so what was there before is still there. So you could make some edits. Now, one thing I don't have is back navigation buttons. So in terms of your app project delivery, you're getting it working, what we're doing today, which is not going to be trivial. As you can see, your project is going to be quite complicated. But I'm going to give you about a week to do this, so you'll have enough time. And so in addition to this, you're going to add by yourself, you're going to go hands-on on the code. And by the time you've done this, you will have touched every part of the code enough to demonstrate that you really understand it. So I'd like from each screen, back nav buttons back to home, and add an edit panel to orders, and add an additional feature of your own choice, maybe a revenue report of all books sold, or screen visuals, so you can put background visuals on the screens to support the app's messaging. Or maybe another feature, a panel for customers to claim their complimentary Starbucks drink. But so here, see, I don't have a back button, so I'll just use the devices button right now. So I could make a book. My favorite topic. Right, so then your stuff is there and you can go and edit it. Oh, actually, I've got some problem. We'll fix that up later. So it's not jumping to the correct. Yeah, so we'll fix that up later. But anyway, so we do see the basic functionality is working. And then you can make a customer, you can make a buyer. And then you can make an order. Now, what it does not currently allow you to do is edit. There is no edit panel for the orders, so that's going to be one of your things to go and add that. And that's pretty much it. That's what your app is going to run like, and that's what we're going to do. It's 5:55, so I'm going to kick this up, and I'll kick out our Zoom link. Anyway, I think it's you can make this more visually interesting, right? You could have a picture of a pile of books or people sitting in a coffee shop reading books or something. Anyway, that is what, if you get something like that, that would definitely be a perfect job.